Okay, that's very good. Okay, how are you today?
Yeah, I am good.
You're good. Wait, I will share to you the screen. Okay, today let us have unit 25. I'll share it to you now. Okay, so we have here, Carol. Okay, so here, let us have this. Welcome to English course. Okay, day 25. Let us have time to review. Okay, so we have here different hobby. Okay, so your hobby are go swimming, go partying, mountaineering, play sports, hang out with friends, jogging, watch TV, go shopping, go to gym, and go for a walk. These are the different hobby
Hobby.
that you want. Okay. Another thing we have, okay, listen to music, gardening, surf the net, travel, take photographs, read books, sing, sleep, and dance. So these are another hobbies. Okay. So what part in the house? There are different parts in the house. We have the living room, the bedroom, the bathroom, dining room, kitchen, the yard, garden, and garage. Okay, armchair. Okay, armchair is like in the house, there's an armchair, there's a bed, a bookshelf, clock, cupboard, mirror, wardrobe, and sideboard. Okay. Young age, old, middle ages, in her or his 20s, knee high to grasshopper, no to spring chicken, over the hill, ripe old age. Okay. Another one is thin, the shape. It's the shape. It's thin, it's slim, well built, muscular with muscle, okay, fat, overweight, obese, stocky, stout, and fit,
Fail.
frail.
Fail.
Okay, so these are the different shape of the people. Okay, where are you going, Caroline?
I'm thirsty.
Okay. Okay, next we have here height. It's tall, tallish, short, shortish, of medium or average height. Okay, hair. What's the color of the hair? It's blonde, dyed, ginger, straight hair, curly hair, bald, with plaits or ponytail. Okay, this one are general descriptions. Okay, next we have handsome, manly, beautiful, pretty, stunning. Lakaw na, ato dito ka. Okay, so attractive, gorgeous, good looking, plain, ugly, and hot. So you can see in here, these are the general description that we will going to say. Okay. Now, preposition of place. These are the preposition of place. Look at this. All of this, we call it preposition. But this is particularly, it's preposition of place. Now, preposition of directions. We have here the preposition of directions, the movement, okay, to where it will go, to, from, across, along, into, bow, through, on to. So these are the prepositions of directions. How to book a hotel. If ever you were gonna book a hotel, how you were gonna do it. I like to make a reservations. I like to book a room. I'd like to book a double room for December 15. I'd like to look for the next 6 days. I need room for tonight or for tomorrow. Okay, so these are the different things that you will gonna do on booking a hotel. Okay. So here, Carol, we have here questions. Okay. So please try to answer these questions and write your answer in the chat box. These are about your hobby. Okay. Your hobby. Okay. You can write your answer beside, or you can write in the chat box if you want. Okay.
Okay. Fitness teacher. Teacher.
Okay. So what are your hobbies? Let me see. Mahanap, ayan, ano. My hobbies are go swimming, watch TV, and read comic. My hobbies are swimming, watching TV, reading comic book. That's it, huh? Okay, that's the proper one. What
Yes.
is your hobby? Your hobby? What's your favorite food? Okay, so next, what do you like doing? I like doing my homework and watching TV. Oh, very good, Carola. Carol. Sorry, Carol, huh? Because I have students, and the student's name is Caroline. So that's why I keep on saying Caroline.
Okay.
Okay, four.
The,
What sorts of hobbies do you have? Okay, I like watching TV. Wow. What do you get up in your free time? I usually go shopping with my mom. Oh, you like shopping? Okay. Six, what do you do for fun? I play with my friends. I am interested in fashion. Oh. And then, what are you into? I like doing my homework. Oh, you're interested in fashion? Really? What is
yes.
your favorite color, if I will ask you?
My favorite color is yellow.
Okay, it's yellow. Okay, why yellow? Why yellow? Why you like color yellow? There's a lot of color yellow. The light yellow, dark yellow. What yellow? You want the light one?
I like yellow because
Mm-hmm.
yellow yellow is bright and it is warm.
Okay, it is.
Warm. It is warm. Mm.
Okay. Now here, you have here. Okay. Now, do you like pets? To keep pets in your home?
Yes, I do. I like keep dog.
Okay. What pets do you have at home?
I don't have any pets.
Okay. Do you like to keep pets in your home? What pets do you like to keep? Dog, cat, what? Rabbit,
I,
bird, what?
I like to keep a dog,
Okay. Do
but
you
my
look
mom
more
don't
like
like
your
it.
mother or your father?
I look more like my father.
Okay. This one. Where is the most amazing place you have been?
The most amazing place I have been is Dallas
Okay, what is
City.
that?
Dallas City is
Okay,
Dallas.
again. What amazing place you have been into?
The most amazing place I have been is Dallas.
Okay. So, Bali, again. Where is it?
Dallas City in Vietnam.
What city is that? Is it in Vietnam?
Yes,
Okay, where is that? It is in Ho Chi Minh, Hanoi, or Da Nang? Which part?
Dallas.
It's Da Nang. Okay. Is it far from your place?
Yes, it is.
It's far. How about this place? Do you have like this? Now, how often do you go to the shopping mall? How often do you go to the shopping
I
mall?
I often go to the shopping mall with my mom on Sunday.
Oh, how often do you, every Sunday, you go to the shopping
Yeah.
mall. Mm-hmm. Tell me, what are the benefits of gardening? Can you tell me what are the benefits of gardening? What do you think? If you do gardening like this, what do you think are the benefits?
I think the benefits are are help help the air clean.
Hoy, ano na sana? Tanaw mo kagatan o okay? Oh, lagi. Kaya ka talaga yung kapat na ko. Then the short, the connect, pero ginagawa. Can you tell me the benefits of gardening?
I think the benefits of gardening help the air is not polluted and the clean air.
It will benefit the clean air. Okay. And of course,
Yes.
it is blessing to see if you can see a lot of flowers in your garden. Look at that. It's very nice to look at, right? Carol, if you can see
Yeah.
different flowers with different colors, oh my God, it's blessing to my eyes. Okay, next one. Here. Okay, this one. You write in the chat box. If you could choose one place to go this weekend, where it would it be? Oh, you write in the chat box. Okay. If you could then write your answer in the chat box. This is about the favorite place that you want to go this weekend.
Finish, teacher. Um, let's see.
Okay, so where is it?
It is
Wait, wait,
Hanoi
wait.
City.
Wait. Okay. So I like to visit Hanoi City. It's a beautiful place and it's the capital of Vietnam. Yeah, I know. Some of my relatives are living in Hanoi. Hanoi is a beautiful city. It doesn't have beach like Vong Tau, but it has Huan Kim Lake, Bon Cha, and Ban Mi. The people are friendly too. The best I like about Hanoi is the Hanoi Old Quarter. Ah, yeah, I remember. Because you're living in Vong Tau, right? You are
Yes,
neighbor with Kyo. Okay? So because your dad, I guess your mom is a friend of Kyo, my student. So you're living in Bong Tao. Bong Tao is a city but small one, not big city. Carol, Bong Tao is not a
Vũng
big
Tàu.
city.
Vũng Tàu is a big city.
Ah, it's a big city too. But Hanoi is the capital of Vietnam. It's a very big city. Hey, this one. What kind of movies do you like best? This one, huh? You choose any of this. Cartoon, romantic movie, love story, or war?
I like cartoons.
Okay.
How
Okay, you
about you?
choose.
I like cartoons. I
Okay.
like cartoons. How
You
about
like
you?
cartoons. Why do you like cartoon?
Because it is funny and interesting.
Okay, it is funny and interesting.
Interesting. How about you?
Okay, of course, I love love story.
Oh, my mom likes love story.
Okay. I love love story, of course, because I love to watch people who are in love. Okay, but I don't love cartoon that much. I don't love war, but I love horror. What food do you cook the most often, or your mom cook the most often?
My mom often cooks white rice. My mom often cooks white rice, white, white rice soup. Why?
Okay,
My mom often cooks white rice soup, fried, fried tofu with tomato and chicken.
okay. Cook soup and chicken. Okay, this one is soup and fresh. Okay, do you feel actually comfortable when living alone?
No, I don't. For me, living alone is sad.
Okay, do you feel actually comfortable when living alone like this? You don't have someone in the house? Can you live with that someone in the house?
No,
Okay, of course. You need your mom, your dad, you need your family insured.
my
Okay,
my
yes.
parents and my sister are go outside, going outside.
Okay. Okay. So, Carol, please get back in Zoom again, ha? We will study other lesson, okay? Please get back in.
Okay.